Local 4 is continuing its look into the death of 5-year-old Ethan Belcher and whether changes are needed within Michigan's Child Protective Services. Critics say CPS has been ineffective and underfunded, but the agency is also standing behind a law that prevents any information about how the agency is working to get made public. Local 4's Rod Maloney is live tonight with more, including the move afoot in the legislature to change all that, Rod.
Yeah, Kimberly, here's the thing. Ethan Belcher's family is coming to town for a funeral this week, a funeral that they didn't expect, certainly, and they absolutely cannot afford. But in the meantime, we're seeing that this whole situation with the Child Protective Services is problematic for Ethan's family as well, because coming to Michigan for that funeral, is Candace Rush. She spoke to me today from her home in Bristol, Tennessee, and she is so devastated because she and her sister both were trying to help these children come out of that house and into their homes for safety.
It should have never came this far. It should have been listened to when we had reported it several times before.
Candace Rush is in tears, knowing both she and her sister attempted to pull their two nephews, 5-year-old Ethan and his 6-year-old brother, out of the abusive home. She points to these baby pictures of Ethan before his parents split, and then when he lived with his stepfather, Shane Robert Shelton, and his mother, Valeria Hamilton, who are charged with Ethan's torture and murder. She says she even tried to convince a caseworker to let her take in both boys.
And I told her that I would come from Tennessee and pick them both up. And because it was an ongoing case and that she hadn't been proven unfit yet, that if I was to remove them from the state, that I could potentially face kidnapping charges.
These family situations are a legal minefield, but Republican State Senator Jim Runstead of White Lake says Child Protective Services hides behind a secrecy law, exempting it from freedom of information requests to understand what's going wrong. He's looking to change that.
This is the only area that I'm aware of that they completely can bottle up and stonewall any information about what went wrong in a case so that we can't figure out how to fix it.
As for Ethan's funeral this week,
it's just going to be probably one of the hardest days of my life.
Now, Senator Runstead is going to be putting his bill up and start looking for co-sponsors on the floor of the Senate tomorrow. There's a GoFundMe page for Ethan and his family. They've been trying to raise funds. They've got about half of what they need to pay for this funeral. We're certainly going to stay on top of this. Ethan's parents are also going to be in court tomorrow for a probable cause hearing. So much more to go with this, and we've been digging for more information, and we found a whole lot more, and we will certainly have that in the days to come. Reporting live, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
We look forward to it. Rod, we appreciate it.